नमस्कार। डेली स्टार्टअप न्यूज़ में आपका स्वागत है। हम रोज़ाना 2 से 4 न्यूज़ इन यूट्यूब शॉर्ट्स में शेयर करते हैं। हर शॉर्ट्स के डिस्क्रिप्शन में न्यूज़ को डिटेल में पढ़ने के लिए एक लिंक भी हमेशा अवेलेबल होता है। आइए सुनते हैं आज की इम्पोर्टेंट अपडेट्स। Bhupendra Jagtap transitioned from running an e-commerce business to launching Vetaal Defence Pvt Ltd, a company focused on anti-drone systems due to the growing threat of drones in modern warfare. He was drawn to this new venture because of his passion for flying objects and the opportunity presented by the relaxed drone policy introduced by the government in 2021. Having studied drones and counter-drone systems for over a year, Bhupendra founded Vetaal Defence Pvt Ltd in October 2023. He recognized the significant demand for anti-drone solutions from the armed forces, especially as warfare evolves with advancing technology. In traditional warfare, attacks are planned and executed using human soldiers and machines. However, drones have transformed the landscape by offering autonomous capabilities. While drones have been used in conflicts before, recent events like Russia-Ukraine war have highlighted their increasing importance. There is a shift towards using smaller, cheaper drones that can be easily deployed. China is recognized as a leader in the production of small drones, while instances of Pakistani drones breaching Indian airspace, as reported by the Border Security Force, underscores the urgent need for effective counter-drone measures.